Hi, I'm Danny Ecker. Here's your Chicago Business Today midday report. Jerry Angelo is out as general manager of the Chicago Bears. This according to an internal email sent by the organization this morning. The 11-year GM was let go following the fourth season out of the last 5 that the team failed to make the playoffs. Angelo had a contract with the organization through 2013, but a second-half collapse this season, combined with the arrest of wide receiver Sam Hurd, set off speculation on Angelo's future with the team. Under his tenure, the Bears made the playoffs 4 times, including a trip to the Super Bowl in 2007. Well, SEARS has hired the CEO of BROOKSTONE as its chief merchandising officer. Ron Boyer will lead merchandising in retail stores for both the SEARS and Kmart formats. Among other roles, Boyer spent 17 years as the head of consumer sales at Sony Electronics before taking over BROOKSTONE in 2009. The move comes in the wake of a turbulent last few months for SEARS, whose stock dropped almost 20% last week following the announcement that it would close as many as 120 stores. Of course, that news came just 2 weeks after the company received about $150 million in tax breaks from the state to keep its headquarters here. SEARS also suffered a third quarter loss nearly double from the same period a year before. And the stock market jumped out of the gates to start 2012 today. The Dow Jones was up more than 200 points in early trading, bolstered by reports of a boost in U.S. manufacturing output. Here in Chicago, though, signs are pointing to just marginal growth for the local economy this year. A report from Moody's Analytics said the Chicago economy, which grew less than 1% last year, should expand by only 2% in 2012. That's significantly lower than its prediction of 4% growth for the year, which it made just 6 months ago. It's been a tenuous time since then, with ongoing European debt worries that have forced many companies to hold on to cash and stall hiring. On the positive side, though, a new report today says that mergers and acquisitions should get a boost this year. A study by Ernst & Young showed that 36% of companies plan on pursuing an acquisition in 2012. That contrasts the last 6 months, during which deal volume dropped almost 20% year over year, according to Thomson Reuters. Looking ahead, the study said it's credit markets that will be the biggest factor in how the M&A scene plays out, in addition to the fact that it's a presidential election year, which may see businesses hesitate to pull the trigger on transactions until the future of the regulatory picture becomes more clear. And that's what's happening in Chicago Business today. Stick with chicagobusiness.com for more local business headlines. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.